Hey guys, I'm showing you how to make this Christmas crack today, and I am so excited to show you how I made it. It is so easy. Just watch this video and you will have a delicious dessert. Okay guys, we're gonna start by spraying with some kind of cooking spray. I like using Pam for this. Actually, I say I like using Pam for this, but this is my first time actually making this. I'm excited. All right. Let's make sure. We're gonna put our crackers down. We are going to add 2 whole sticks of butter in here. I'm using the Blue Bonnet, don't come at me. And then you're gonna, my handle just broke off of this, but you're gonna use a whole cup, 1 whole cup of brown sugar. Okay, we're gonna let this come to a boil. We're gonna mix it until it comes to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're gonna let it set for 3 minutes boiling without touching it. And then we're gonna pour it over our crackers. You also wanna have your oven preheating at 400. She is a bubbling, and I'm not gonna touch it again for 3 minutes. Okay, the timer went off. I'm gonna pour my mixture over top of my crackers. And then I'm gonna put this mixture back in the oven, or in the oven, not back. And then I'm gonna put this mixture in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes. My oven tends to burn stuff if I leave it too early, so I ended up turning my oven setting down a little bit. If you don't have problems with yours, you can leave it at 400. I'm gonna put this peanut butter in the microwave to melt it a little bit. I'm gonna put that on my mixture. Melty peanut butter. Every dessert is better with peanut butter. I can't. You also need to have, if you want chocolate, any kind of chocolate you want. These are leftover that I decided to put on mine. I'm gonna put chocolate, and I got some butterscotch I'm gonna put on it too, on some parts. Just, I'm gonna play around, do some different stuff. All right. I'm gonna pour my peanut butter mixture on top here. Put on the chocolate, and then I'm going to put this back in the oven for a little bit, 3 minutes to melt it, and then I can take my spatula and smooth it out. Got more chocolate. The other one was a milk chocolate. This is a semi-sweet. I don't know about mixing them. Add some butterscotch chips. I'm not really sure what this will taste like, but I'm excited to try it. I'm a butterscotch girl. I love it. I'm not going to put it on the whole thing, just part of it. All right. She's going back in the oven for just like 2 or 3 minutes, because I'm not leaving it in there long. This smells absolutely amazing. Put in some sprinkles. All right, I'm gonna let this cool at room temperature. If you're in a hurry, you could put it in the refrigerator, but I am kind of in a hurry. I don't know. I'm gonna let it sit for a while, and then I want to try it. Guys, it's not chocolatey enough for me, so I'm gonna add a little more chocolate chips on top of this. Just to make it a little bit chocolatier. Okay, I'm getting ready to go to my son's game, and I wanted to try the Christmas crack, so I'm going to. It's not quite set up yet, but I couldn't wait. That is so good. It's so peanut buttery and chocolatey. A little bit salty from the crackers. It's so good. You guys gotta give this a try. It is so easy and it is so good. Let me know if you try it in the comments and give me a follow, guys.